Hi, I'm Jeff Kaufman of Silver Sport Transmissions, and we're at the Carlisle Nationals, Ford Nationals in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. And I'm going to take you over here and show you our upper hydraulic master cylinder kits for the Ford Fox body. So if you're tired of your clutch cable, tired of the feel, tired of the cable stretching, tired of the cable breaking, this is a good permanent solution for the T5, TKO, TKX, and the Magnum 6-speed in the Fox body cars. Okay, so the firewall cutout here on the left is for a pushrod engine. This is our master cylinder. This is our firewall mount. Inside here, we've got a stiffener plate, and then our link that replaces the quadrant, clutch quadrant. So what you end up with here is a nice clutch pedal ratio. It's over 6:1, so you have a nice soft pedal. Very easy installation. So you have your 4 holes you drill, bring in your plate. You just cut in a small hole to get the master cylinder through the firewall boot in that area. This all comes in with a heim joint and a push rod. So this setup will be appropriate for push rod engine, LS swap. You can still run a vacuum booster up here. And for you guys running Coyote engines, we also have a setup for the Coyote swap. And this moves the master cylinder over here towards the inner fender. You do have to run a hydro boost with this master cylinder setup, but if you're doing a Coyote, you're not going to have room for a vacuum booster anyway. So a little bit different setup on the pedal. Same concept. Oh, get my hand out of the way. So that's going to be both your setups for the pushrod engine, LS swap, or you've got this mount for the Coyote swap. And just for reference, this is your clutch cable hole. So those are our setups for the pushrod engine, LS swap, or the Coyote swap in the Fox platform. Also, if you've got an automatic car and you want to convert it to a 3-pedal setup, we make a kit that adds a clutch pedal to your existing pedal hanger. You do not have to change your pedal hanger. We supply all the parts to add a 3rd pedal to your automatic clutch pedal hanger, or your pedal hanger. So you don't have to go scour the salvage yards for clutch pedals anymore. We have a kit for that. So if you have an automatic car, we have everything you need to add a clutch pedal to your existing hanger. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to call us, 865-609-8187, or email me direct at info@shiftsst.com, and I'll be happy to help.